mama, when your matter clean, I go stand with you. If your matter be like this, I go deviate from you. You understand? What you no one give God, you give devil. Now they feel me so. When I see this Don Richie and Omovbiye matter, and greediness, they worry Don Richie, and greediness, they worry Omovbiye. The two of them. In fact, Omovbiye himself needs medical checkup. Omovbiye need medical checkup. You understand? All this mercy after death, and not the get hand for inside. And the iron issue, we be say get road, you get people go see and say, yeah, road they here. This Omovbiye issue, road not there. You know the famous so. This issue, road not there. You understand me now? I go play your audio. Now, the reason why I play paradigm for you, now paradigm for one advice concerning this matter. It's going to be a shame, say, as old as Eddie Murphy, Omovbiye and his squad go they feel they tune Eddie Murphy head. Make Eddie Murphy they dance here, they dance here. It doesn't make you a man. It's just the truth. It doesn't make you a real man. Real man stand by their word. And their word stand is final. That's why I'm the king. When I speak, I don't speak. The king has spoken. So shall it be. I feel with it. Oh no, I'm a mila. You go no, you go no. Neti muja de mata. Ni lele abgari go ni. You go no muja de mata. On you go ni me. You understand me? So this issue was settled since on Sunday. When I brought this issue up, how the settlement take come about, how the thing make come. Since then, Omovbiye and his family never carry phone. Say Frank Victor. No yak settle matter. No yak go matter na. Frank Victor, if you go no yak go matter na. Frank Victor, where say no yak go matter na. Frank Victor matter na no go ina. Mama kuyo they ask to mama kuyo. They kept mute. They kept mute since then. They not talk. But the more we go come call a party Murphy. They give a party Murphy more another story. Where Omovbiye not in that same meeting. Where did they judge this issue that day? If I were Omovbiye had a video call, we're going to judge this issue now. Why is it now bringing more things come? Okay, let's call a spade a spade. I want this proof where bring us. I want to analyze and give you now. This proof where Omovbiye, if you have the water, a proof in Omovbiye viewing now again. I want to analyze this proof for now. One of the same. Because when I see all these people where they fight so for this money, he chop my money, he collect my heart, they get advisor. That's the reason why peace not go fit day, settlement not go fit work. Because they get advisor. They get greedy advisor and greedy some of them and greedy family inside. Because you go down your book and say, I know. If you would fight for the one you should be thanking God say you would their life, they will say they fight for us. If your enemy dies his day, you go to fight, you go to drag us. Or you go to drive a car. Now listen. I want analyze that for you. Because not only the Murphy they go feel brainwash. Not only the Murphy, then they know say they go feel tune. Like I said, the tune ITV. You understand? Yeah, we pay the Murphy back and here tell mu tune because what they call even what tune now. After all, say me go no be me go one era na yas one go ye matter na 1 cent. Umari me go they don't care that do directing. What directing? I'm the CEO of my platform. If I tell you say again or you man you vavia. You understand? Why damn you? Now, Omovbiye came out with some proof. That use your other phone. That's okay. Okay. All these things we're going to see here, so these are lists of me, I can say bank statements. Will be say, Omovbiye they collect money, they go they give Don Richie. Richie they collect, 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 they collect. And they watch you. The highest pay na 6,750 euro. Now understand? They collect 1K plus, 1K plus, 2K plus, 29, 800, 100, 100 euro, 200 euro. What they collect for client? I got the kill down. We make kill everything. So this one, more you the listen. Kini mata ye me wa iwa kele la den ne wa da me ho. If you do wa da me ho. All these slips, all these bank slips where Omovbiye bring come so. So that means when Richie they date Omovbiye, Richie was also doing another business, which is internet business, which is normal Yahoo. You understand? So Richie they do Yahoo. And Omovbiye was the as a woman. Okay. Now, as I did so, and I put myself on for the shoe now, analyze this issue. They will not say because woman, I am more bono to woman, or woman, I don't judge you because I'm a woman. You understand? When woman they get it wrong, we let her know say they get it wrong, or because I'm a man, we call they beat the woman. No. Now, when I say something like oppression, when I tie this matter, I make me shoot leg for this matter to fight Richie. You understand? So now, if when Richie they date Omovbiye they help Richie they collect all this kind of money. They help Richie they collect all this kind of money with your account. That means Richie they work. Oh yes, that means Richie they work. Like me now, I did here. My YouTube on my Azaro one or way. A Facebook event or my Azaro one or way. You understand? You don't have my YouTube channel on my Azaro one or way. Don't call me when I do live. That's in a video real life, you know. Call you real life. One back of real life video. You understand? So, the original I have, I'm not using web as a girlfriend. Okay, babe, Alpha. You understand? No, you are collect you. You feel me? So now, Richie was now running street work as a street guy. Other running street work now call it. Normally, many of our men, nigga are away bona, both especially in Spain. This is street work. A street work really by a mwen. This will be oh yes. We know of our many of our biagima, no few boy in the ton, the way bona to make him. Understand? It will be Yahoo, the boy mwen, the boy big yo. In one way or the other. Now, what we ye, we got a way Honorable Matthew do you we got a red line with Edimofi and Honorable Matthew do you we mavie every day in Aladian. Now the 32,000 euro, 97,000 euro, will get to 32,000 the Richie. Then anyone that come away only is why I beloved based on already you listening. Now let me come it clear to you people. Normally you can't draw that money because that's human trafficking money. According to every my work, we got the second with no more human trafficking. You listening pay. Yeah, clear what 24 hours. Or you gonna work on human trafficking? What don't you listen? What don't you that one should first of all clean up from memory because it was children's sweat. That's not a better business. For illegal business. A sweating a year away in why big biaga. Why do Richie migoni. So if you get at the end of the day, you get 97,000, we get 32,000 in the boyfriend way. That is a judgment to all one. That is not what should be returned. Only in a return. Because we have via beloved. You understand? Amamuwa, Omayenga you way. A risk, a gamble of fee. Because the money, if you want to buy the problem, why are you? When we had a problem, we don't receive a problem. Because the donation or connection one of your money. A donation connection one of your money. Yes. A montana here. Igoni. Why Timio? That at the 2000. There is never going to hear Timmy. Because the donation are dear Gaba. Whenever you monkey, where you are Jagan. So since we are you way, what working in what me way. Who get at the 2000 donation? It is only now. Organ work was only units. Anyway, you are Tabunu. Anyway, you are Tabunu. Only now, Bolifor. Now you are talking about my house. But now you want to cut it short. I just cut it short, so that me not is spoil many people here. You will ask you by yourself among you. Worry about the paper, analyze you're going to spend. You want it. Right from the land buy. The land was bought 2012. You know, Don Richie, 2014. Brother, we do. We're not listening. According to the judgment, the land was bought 2012. The godmother of Don Richie, who is now your godmother, was there, present there. The community chairman who sold the land for Don Richie and your godmother was there at Honorable Matthew Doyekere house. Why don't you? Now, the land is 100 by 100, like 1 by 2, 100 by 100 2, which was sold to the godmother of Don Richie. According to the judgment, if Don Richie now want to buy land, the government last year, even Otoro, 1 by 2, in a 1 by 2, you had 100 by 100, you had 100 by 100 in no way. And that 1 by 2 carry one document. You understand? One document was issued for that 1 by 2 because it was bought by one person, which is the godmother. Now, as the original came to buy 100 by 100 for his side, the land have to be split. So the original have to go and meet the community chairman to write another paper, separate paper for him. We're having a Yahweh and it will break the community. You understand? Men we don't have a community, but I know it not at all. Automatically, if Don Richie know you 2014 and that land issue was bought 2012, 2 years after the land was bought, before Don Richie know you. Adam, yo. According to the judgment, if the land was bought 2012 and Don Richie know you 2014, now let's assume now why a boyfriend and girlfriend. You need your own share. Or one year we buy na bowa for her. You don't know how to complete the house. According to you, where you spend this for the house na roofing level. Now the standard of the house, the rate count is 100 million. According to you, Omovbiye, you estimated what you estimate for Honorable Matthew house was 28,000 euros. Even Richie was arguing it. Say the money not rich like that. We spend. The Richie was arguing we gonna spend the mass salary, but I won't when never knew okay, Richie, people believe you because they say you are a woman. Now you now oppress you. Now you now oppress you. They leave it okay, 28,000. Everybody take a pen. When you were making your calculation. Now, my last word we want to talk for this matter is this one. You understand? But then I go settle Friday or I go settle Wednesday. If maybe Matthew, you come by la, that's me for you. When I spoke finally. And you were there, you accept it. You accept it. Do my accept it better when I say different ball game. Okay. Makoyo. Everybody will know okay. They are postponing the matter. If do Makoyo. But to not yo, and ever since. Because do my yo, I see no reason why. And the movie who called me and told me where what said to any in I tie you, movie you know, you know, not able to movie. Then it's so come to live video so that you should also come on and say it. Before that settlement was made, everyone like my concerning. I was the one that will drag it, drag it. You know, saga it, ina saga eru wala on the most serious note be wagi atema tana gbode mata na makosa eru wala because we e donation le eru wala is a boy to eru wala na eru wala agwala ame nwa ame na agwala wo agwala donation obugu na agwala donation I drag eru wala into this mess on my live video. If you want more really talk sense, now donation nice calm you and donation we supposed to face not be eru wala but ina eru wala because eru wala e donation e bo no. Eru wala call him. This guy wala bedo. Oh, what fuck away e mata na kosa ni. Eh, ma mo ye. Ye bo fe na mo ye. Eru we ru ye ba we. Na e pa. What is here? Because it don't is your guy. O ma kan. Fuck you ni you we mata na. Now we know. Now, I also heard we are sitting mata na oge. Mati do yeke. Eru wala we ye ya we ya. Because you I make sure we go there to drag Dorishi the same you a bad movie you we want to do where you wear it when I you wear it me caro wala you wear when I do wala you wear it you come to that video they do wala be you wear it they do wala be you wear it they do wala we mata but moga saga do wala you wear we ero wala are you wear mata na amoso me pisi wo before ero wala was went to that vulnerable Matthew the has that day. Do you know the agreement I have with ero wala mota ero wala follow them there to make sure we pisi raw a donation is your body will pay loyalty to you. When you are there, a donation are there we make a piece yo. Even in when I make a piece, more than you will be live video. I'm a record. We will about 3 and 4 record group call. They do a conference with people. La was in fact will matter. In matter donation or my concerning a matter donation or my concerning in a repa. What I thought be a donation man make a piece with a movie. That's free. Oh, we matter na makosa ni. Na we matter na makosa ni wala na. Ero wala idorishi. Idorishi luga. Ero wala luga ina we pa e bo geno. Then I now conclude I give the wala okay. Ero wala the only way I will forget about your issue. Now since you want to give Matido Yekebe this Sunday. Well, Lilian here. Make sure we peace reign. When peace reign, make it you wear. Nyawa make we just adazo gilikin. Adazeni we wait when make level yes adazokin on me no any be with him. Nyawa atia we live video now. The one Mr. Tajo Moro you know okay. Ero wala when the frankita. Please lao Lilian here le dorisha here. Let make peace. Ovie do mayahin. Akugbe magolo a peace magolo. Let make peace. Now okay. Ero wala okay no problem. Tajo re wana nya. Ya have you. Do what even with Frank you call. When you call the peace, no, there is more bobo in a way problem. You know, we are here. We want to you understand? That was how it was acting that day. Okay, fine. And you said to him, Israel was there. Israel was there. Your family member was there. You were on call, video call for that matter with them, and you and Murphy. You put on video call. On then anything like oppression. It's a free ball game. Do manakoyo, umakoyo. You are on video call. On now maybe 2 days. No. You are called, you are sitting in your room in Europe, communicating with people in Nigeria where they are settling your dispute between you and your ex-boyfriend. Do malake we if I was on makoyo malake no or you go me fine. I don't analyze it. You were the okay. O wana na we ugari go dorishi ya bo wa we. Ugari dorishi ga we ke. Ugari go okay. Ini go gari ni dorishi na let us know. Na ini go gari ni dorishi. Let's rate you go gari ni dorishi. Na rate you go wana what na re. They don't na kyo wana no. You understand? Akyo wana I split the money. What do you mean? Let's assume the house now. The house worth 100 million. Probably you have spent 50 million. Definitely, the Richie has spent 50 million. That house is supposed to be split into two. I don't know why I'm about one way. Add 50 million, add 50 million, or now one person was okay. I will settle you off. But now okay, I will settle you off. You understand? Now the house is rated as 100 million. You said you spent 28,000 euro. Convert 28,000 euro. Even at then, 2017, 2018, 100 euro was how much? 50,000 naira. Why 50 euro was 25 euro? 25,000. 100 euro was 50,000. Now at this time, 100 euro now is almost 60-something-thousand. Do you understand? 100 euro now is 60-something-thousand. Plus 63,000. Okay, now, if you spend 28,000 euro, 28,000 euro now is how much? It's close to 17 million plus. You understand? So if you're not telling me 17 million or 17 million or 60 million, they should give you a house where you spend 60 million. A house worth 100 million should be handed over to you. And they ask the people, a house that worth 100 million should be handed over to you. According to you, since you say now 28,000 euro, a house that worth 100 million should be handed over to you that spent 16 million in that apartment. Now, we make my voice record. Also, when the platform me, you can't come here to talk because I cannot come on live video to be presenting lies. I cannot come here on this my platform to present a lie. If your issue not straight, you know the carry they come here.
Hello, Baba. Labu. Tomo Baba. Baba Labu. Ekuyo. Rana ni sendi kwena.
Then you go no last.
Baba. Why ezona buwedero. Akayika percentage oginye. Ina we munda we. Ostandi me. Anywhere avion la webo ana werum doni awemege ego ni mune egeni yawe epa waege matana oveno chie epa enne erishi istandi nime erime standi ni rishi. E patro bege benani sendina. E benime ya koletigo ine torishi. E yawu mwine yawu no. E mewe iye koletigo. Iye koletigo. Igoni. Or no nya account or 30%. I will go now yanagari your account. I was not collecting any percent. You go now. Which you not deceiving me, the maybe where a business in that or a business a yao. E pa igo na ya ni mega aguye collect. E hoste oge no bo. Ina we agwe pego wa everything. Ina we support no ya be hoste. E hoste ni me mata ni how. Baba aketa we eri hosta di me. Hosta di me mini we no ya muja me we. Ogume bowan, ogume iya roof ifese wane. Ile gi ohun we ya metene eyata. Eni ya fefe. Boy, oye luime. And everything we no ya win me. Iri ya sayo ne. Iri ya pay ne. Do na tota because then igona ya fefe ni me ga withdraw ni ye vacant be no pa o ga withdraw ne udai mai ga go ya account me ina the account na imari go yo account no pa be ga go ji abi gona ya ni me ga ri ni ye ni me ga guye collect no ga ya me ya collect before later ke do we e for one e ya hin e pa akọ na na mi ewe ori ye na mema e shori mero mema tamania we shori me no ka kedo ri ni me wi go na ero but even me yo for ne gbe me e ti imarama my own money ana we share the share ni me yo for ne gbe me ya kwa ana kama we share baba akebo yen na Paritao, then Hojo, that dog, our cantinani, Abigonan, Uwe, Anavis, Sendigo, Nayak baby. So I could do that way, a year, Udame beware, or Udame beware, or director me, when he, or director me where I had no lawable, at the way Donny where the guy may go in Mune. Papa, let on you. I want to on you. It's your bojo. Domusa. Why I was still. Domo Papa. Hello, Papa. Papa, Erisia, where you need the percentage of here. But when Erisia will still get larger. No, human. I will go and collect in it. You may collect in it. Oh, human. Richie he hosted or a percentage or me. Then I'm an boy any very only a because a hostel ne dorishi po ye dorishi ne dorishi keep hosteni. Well, when a dorishi mo hosteni no more here. A share a percentiment or a manana percentiment dorishi or mosa. So what percentage? Why when a dorishi here hosteni? What the percentage of them or ye me? Baba, domo daddy, domo sa, go daddy, regbosa domo. Daddy la wuwu, idekweshi, daddy la owani, oworen, daddy la wuwu, idekweshi, daddy la. Daddy we are on me aragbona, daddy. Owani oworen, namu wa meme, daddy la wuwu. Ogume kamirichi we no mu wa meme. Owani oworen, Richie. Daddy owani na feme, iwa minuhu, iwa wu. Erich na mi wani, daddy, iwa wu, iwa minuhu, iwa wu, daddy, la wu, la, itikweje, monya mime, sukmatika inyajo, inyawe no nemi, obo etanse, daddy la wu, itikweje, itikwe, daddy la wu, owani na feme,
No one yare running no yagbo is the romance no yagu. Oh no, Watana is just a jagger. That the truth I tell you. You have not been in charge of that house. Your name is not even in the house. Or one will consider your name. On a bona, this will not be just again. First of all, now you don't bring evidence to come out now to show us say this guy na your guy. You know they chop your money. Now your account the guy they use to make money from in your work. You understand me now? We are now the bill now. See all the big ebenumula. See all the list. Each date, the year, everything the year. We see they collect money. 2017, 2016. What are they? 2005. We don't reach they collect money. All the dates, everything the year. No yami go there. Imuna no amuna. The street work in all. You collect all the even on the 11 second, you collect two times. Third. Collect 2 times. Fourth, collect on the 7, on the 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Collect 4 times. On the 9, on the 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, 9 times. On the 7. On the 6, collect 1 times. On the 1st January 2017, collect 2016. Collect on the 3rd, 2016. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 3rd 2016, collect 5 times. On the 2nd 2016, collect 1 times. 29, 28. See everything. Wait till they collect money for street work. Now you are now this one where you bring come out now. This one where you bring come out because everything when they talk and they work with evidence. This one where you bring come out now. It shows that this guy they do street work. Okay, good. They say you know they do shoro, you know they work. No affect all this thing for live video. Some people they SARS, the money where they make. You will they do fabric from month to January, from 1st on the 31st. You know they made that kind of money. A plate like that. I do not real board, not real board to me or call. I know. That again get a clear here. Now, Wowa or Weno. One may understand the good one is this. Don Richie said he bought that land 2012. And people want to listen. 2012. Then they buy that land. And Don Richie know more 2014. According to Don Richie, 2014. Don Richie wins one and 1 year buwan in there. You do turn in there. You kill more with you. And you understand me so? And now, what do they call this? The woman, godmother. Godmother give as a witness say Don Richie. Now he said the land for. Maybe you understand the issue. Who they lie and who they talk truth for this whole issue. Who they lie now? Aritori na and Aritemata na. We don't know you Itori na or Don Richie or Itori for this issue. If I demofia wa him or wa him no way, you was one saga. Onage saga matter. This is not saga issue. We should not take everything as saga. If you are a peacemaker, if you are a level, not be everything they do saga. You get where things they reach where they go do saga. You get where things go turn to. You don't need to do saga. You need to add wisdom to solve this issue. And again, I go to issue. This one. This is no longer saga matter. Men need to bring her together to solve this issue amicably. I felt the other day. I said, as the first this matter, so 28K when you spend for the house, they give you. The 5K when you take buy the Jeep, they'll give you, which is 33,000 euro. You understand? My sister, use and hold that one. Leave everything for God. If the audition say get your word, leave her for her. Collect the one where you see. May you move on with your life. You there abroad. You never reach 40 years. You move on with your life. Keep on hustling. Calm yourself. May you find better man will go marry you. The way you disgrace yourself for live video, all this one, all this record will replace now. Shame and disgrace now be. It does the kind of things where they will play for live video self. You understand? Not be everything they carry come live video. When you want to you start your life. If you want to do business, you use the money to do business. You move on with your life. Many people don't want, many people will say they will make money, make millions today where they did. They not leave the house. After they also died the other day, they never bury when people go put for sale for your in house.